Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Rastek. In this video, I will show you how can you check your laptop full configuration on Windows 11, including RAM, processor, system type, storage, and more. Let's start. In this process, you can also check in your Windows 10 system, so no issue. So first of all, we will check the system information. How can you do that? Just press Windows R or right click on Start button, then click on Run. Okay, here you just type MS Info 32. Okay, MS Info 32. After that, click on OK. You get the information like processor. Here, you can see the processor and install memory. Okay. So that's the process. You can find those information also another way. Just close this and right click on this PC, click on properties. You get the information, system name, device name, processor, installed RAM, and is the system type, like is it 64-bit system or 32-bit system. Here you can find. Okay. Also get the system edition, like is it Windows 10 or Windows 11. Also, is it home version or professional. Okay, so that's I can share you the another way, like how can you get the all information like command line. So just right click on start button and open the with admin privilege, then type system info, then press enter. The information is the loading. So you get here you get the much more information, like here you can see the desktop, is it my host name, OS installation version. Okay, and you get the original OS date, product ID, system boot time, system manufacturer, model number. So you can get also the total installed memory. So that's the way you can get the all information. If you need to check the system, how much installed the storage, just open this PC. Here you get uh, the how much installed storage. Like my system is installed the 500 GB hard disk. You if you get the multiple drive, then you just calculate the all. Now I will show you how can you check the graphics memory. Just click on right click on the start button, then click on run. dx di- diag, then click on OK. Okay, so if your system is installed the graphics memory, then you can get display on display 2. Display 1 is basically system inbuilt graphics memory. Like here you can get the inbuilt graphics. Display 2, the if your system is additional storage, sorry, graphics is installed. In my case, NVIDIA is installed, and total memory approx 8 GB, 7697 GB. So that's why you can get the all information system configuration. That's how can you check your laptop configuration in different ways in Windows 10, 11 system. If this video helped you, give a like, comment your question, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech video. See you next time. Thank you.